Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing something super exciting. A brand new handheld gaming console that's been making waves in the retro and indie gaming scene. Right out of the box, the packaging looks clean and minimal. We've got the product image up front and a few key specs on the side, including support for emulation, a high-res display, and built-in Wi-Fi. Let's open it up. First thing inside is the handheld itself, and wow, this thing looks premium. We'll come back to that in a second. Underneath, you've got your standard accessories, USB-C charging cable, user manual, and sometimes a screen protector or micro SD card, depending on the version you order. Taking a closer look at the console, we've got a beautiful display. Nicely spaced buttons, analog sticks, and a solid D-pad. On top are the shoulder buttons and triggers. Power button, volume rocker, USB-C port, and a headphone. Jack. Let's power it on. There's the logo. Boot time is pretty quick. The UI looks clean and responsive. If this is your first time using one of these, don't worry. Setting it up is super easy. That's our unboxing for today. In the next video, I'll dive into the performance, emulation capabilities, and which games run best on this little beast. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you love handheld gaming as much as we do. See you in the next one.
Welcome, true believers and newcomers alike. Spider-Man co-creator Stan Lee here. point on you. Those hostages